Hello everyone, my name is Frederico Pavan and I'm the director of Mixology here at the Donovan Bar in the Browns Hotel, the oldest hotel in London, 1832. Today, on behalf of the Royal Academy of Culinary Arts for the annual Awards of Excellence, I'm going to present you an amazing cocktail with an amazing technique, the champagne cocktail made with the Bill technique, one of the oldest technique in the world. Nobody knows who invented this cocktail, even if it was featured in the Jerry Thomas book back in the day. For using this technique, it means that you're gonna prepare the cocktail directly in the glass. So you don't need that much equipment. You just need a measure, a spoon, but you don't need a mixing glass or shaking, because you don't need to shake or stir your cocktail. What you need is a caster sugar, Angostura Bitter, Cognac or brandy. Here in Donovan, we do a little bit of twist, so we add a little bit of Grand Marnier and a little bit of orange for garnish it. Let's start. So, you start with the brown sugar cubes that we put in nice and silver clay. We add a little bit of Angostura, couple of drops. Let's make generous a little bit and waiting till the sugar suck all the Angostura. And then you're gonna place it in the glass. You can use brandy or cognac. In this case, we use Cognac Remy Martin, one of the finest cognac in the world. And you add 20 ml directly in the glass, using your measure. Yeah. You go slowly, 20 ml. You clean your bottle always. And voila. Here in Donovan Bar, we do a little bit of variation of this cocktail, adding 5 ml of Grand Marnier that it brings to the cocktail a little bit of orange essence, orange aroma. So using a bar spoon or a teaspoon if you don't have it, you add slowly the 5 ml. So let's see, it's 1 bar spoon. Voila, you clean the bottle, this in front. Then you're gonna add the champagne. That also is the tricky part of this cocktail, because you need to be careful that the champagne and the sugar doesn't have the reaction to push the champagne out of the glass. So the champagne needs to be very cold. Leave the glass at room temperature. It's gonna assist you not to have this issue with your cocktail. You remove the top. This. You open a little bit. This don't need to remove the cage, so it can help you out to open the bottle, and you turning from the bottom of the bottle. And voila. Try to not to pump in the champagne, otherwise you're gonna break the bubble. You're gonna destroy a lot of work for the champagne production. Slowly, little bit of smell to make sure the champagne is ready, and you start to pour it in the glass. Remember, very slowly, otherwise the champagne is coming out to the glass. Make sure the champagne is very cold, because remember, you don't have the help of the ice when using shaking or stirring technique that help to keep the cocktail cold. You go slowly, and you can see the sugar start already to dissolve, and the champagne start to keep the aroma of the sugar and the cognac as well. Slowly. You need time for this cocktail, so you have time to chat with your customer as well. A little bit more. We're almost done. And voila. This is a cocktail that's gonna change in front of your guest, because as soon as you place it in front of them, the sugar starts to give the sweetness to the cocktail. Look how beautiful the color. And voila. Nice hot. Then another important part, as we add Grand Marnier in our cocktail, we want to finalize the cocktail with the aroma. Because remember, when you create a cocktail, you have three important rules that you have to understand. The visual impact, so how you present your cocktail. The aroma impact, that's the second encant that the customer gonna have it. And the final encant, that this is a tasty impact. Nice orange peel. This is nice tips. Remember, inside to the peel, there's two different kind of aromas. There's the bitter aroma and the really flavory aroma. So the bitterness, essential oil, they're very heavy, so they go straight down when you squeeze it. In the meantime, the very aromatic part is very volatile, so they go around in the room. So as far as you stay, just try to push all the aromatic part to the glass and leave the bitterness to go out. And voila. Now, using a very good sharp knife, you cut it in fancy way. So from this side, you remove away, other side again, again, and the center, like this. You twist it a little bit, and you place it on the rim of the glass. And voila, nice and careful. Champagne cocktail is ready. Salute. Champagne cocktail. Salute. Now I'm gonna show you my own interpretation of the building technique. I call it the lifting technique. It's very good to apply this technique for a cocktail that contains Prosecco or champagne and some kind of puree, like a Bellini. So Bellini is a very famous cocktail, was invented by Giuseppe Cipriani in Irish bar in Venice between the 1934 and the 1948. And you know, it's a very well-known cocktail. It's a cocktail that's very in my heart, as I'm from Veneto as well, from Verona. And you know, it's sad that sometimes you go around and you don't see a Bellini properly well done because it's missing this beautiful and lovely, sexy foaming heart. So how we can do that? We just need a peach puree. A tips when you make the peach puree, make sure you blend it with 1 raspberry to give you a nice, beautiful light red color. And usually use it in 1 part of peach and 2 parts of Prosecco. Remember, no champagne, Prosecco. Doesn't matter the shape of the glass. So let's start with the peach. You place in the frozen mixing glass. Why frozen mixing glass? Because the frozen mixing glass, as is very cold, and the peach and the Prosecco that is not that cold as the mixing glass, gonna create a reaction that is help you to create this lovely foam. Then you add the Prosecco. You can see the foam already start to come over, but the ingredients are not mixing very well because they are 2 different weight. So you add a little bit of ice. Remember, this is not stirring technique, so not that much ice. You just need the ice to help you to chill down the ingredient and mixing. And you lift it very, look, the foam is coming through already. And then you put it in a glass. I like to use a room temperature glass because it's help again with the foam. So fill up till the end. You wait that the foam sit. You move a little bit the mixing glass. You can add a little bit of Prosecco if you're not happy with the foam. And then you pour it. And voila. It's beautiful hat. And the Bellini is ready. Salute. E voilà, your Bellini. Salute.